Kyoito Steven Nyarikembude aso AMAARIGANIO Bosio rwasense muyendo murikyo manena ase wizara y'oburendi bwaime Daktari Raymond OMOLLO nigo araira babwatani ao kurwase serikali enene nabo igo eri county ya Wajir erikorototana kurata AMAARIGANIO Y'Okulichengera rituko rya Madaraka ukwana nigo Raymond OMOLLO ayenekiribu na AMAARIGANIO AIKERANIRE ase ebirengo bya 54 ase ariganira abakenya ase semu ya Wajir eri gochengera rituko eryo rirakorekana ase etarike yamo Omotienyi Ogocha.
We are here in Wajir at the stadium with the team from the national government, the team that has the responsibility preparation Madaraka Day celebrations on the 1st of June here in Wajir, hosted by the county government. I'm here with the governor of Wajir, together with my PS colleague, PS Umi, in charge of culture, who also comes from this county. We have this morning done an assessment of the progress of the preparations, and we are happy that the progress is good. We are at 84%. We expect that between the 20th and 25th, most of the works would have been accomplished. So I know you can see already there is the former parade the team doing the rehearsals as part of these preparations. We will be able to share with you the schedule of a set of activities that will be happening 1 week to the celebrations. We have the thematic week which begins on the 25th all the way to the 31st at one of the local primary schools here with a focus on education, youth, as well as the future. And besides that, of course, there's work that is going on at the residence where His Excellency the President will host the luncheon for his guests. And maybe lastly is to ask the people of Wajir, the people of northern Kenya, and Kenyans in general to join us on the 1st of June. And we expect to start early, given the weather, but also the fact that every day around midday there are always the prayers. So we expect everyone to be seated by 8 a.m. on the 1st, with the program expected to begin